If you've stumbled upon EKOM AI and you're wondering how it works, you may just be in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you everything you need to know. Now, before we get into the video, there is an affiliate link down below in the description. You can go ahead and get started with EKOM immediately just by clicking on the link. All right, let's get into it. So first thing is first, what exactly is EKOM? Well, EKOM stands for e-commerce knowledge and operations management. It is a comprehensive platform designed to streamline e-commerce processes, making it super easy for businesses to manage online operations super effectively. EKOM integrates various tools and services that help businesses optimize their online sales channels. From inventory management to customer relationship management, it really covers absolutely all bases. So the reason you're here is, how does it work? So now that you know what it is, let's talk about it. The platform operates on three main pillars: data integration, automation, and analytics. Data integration basically is data from multiple sources. So think of your website, social media platforms, and even third-party marketplaces. This centralized data hub allows for seamless information flow. Next up is automation. Now, automation basically automates repetitive tasks like order processing, inventory updates, and so forth. So this not only saves you time, but it also reduces human error. And finally, your analytics. EKOM provides real-time insights into your sales performance, customer behavior, and market trends. With this data at your fingertips, you can make informed decisions that drive growth. So yes, EKOM AI is not just a tool, but it is a game changer for e-commerce. If you found this guide helpful, you can go ahead and drop us a like. Don't forget to click on the link in the description below to get started. And we'll see you next time. Peace.